Well, hello, YouTube Nation. This is Riding with Boots. No riding the spot of the day. It's rainy and overcast. But we're going to put the drone up, the new Mavi Mini 2, and give you an aerial view of Harbison Lake here in Irmo, South Carolina. Hope you enjoy it. So I'm pretty impressed with this DJI Mavi Mini 2. This is their second rendition of the Mavi Mini, and I can tell you, it's easy to use and the images came out really well. So I really hope y'all are enjoying this. Can't get on the bike, but we can shoot video. I think my favorite part of this lake is this cove right here. The folks living in this cove are very fortunate. Very nice view, very nice view. Really like this shot from the air. Would love to live there. All right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this tour of Harbison Lake in Irmo, South Carolina on the Mavi Mini 2. Take care, and we'll see you next time.